This is the Energizer HeadLight 225 lumen, purchased on Amazon. And I just want to show, the light is fantastic, but the bracket that's used to adjust the position is incredibly loud. So if you want to hear, it seems to be working normally, but it's just incredibly loud. For comparison, here is another one. So this is a headlamp, another brand, Light, also purchased on Amazon. Not quite as bright, but that's the sound. And you may not even be able to hear it in the video. It still holds really well, the position, moving around, but no crazy clicking sound. Again, for comparison back, Energizer. Competitor. All right, thank you.